Ever wonder how just a few minutes of silence could dramatically enhance your day? Welcome to the transformative world of meditation, where each breath leads you closer to a more focused and peaceful you. Today, we are not just learning about meditation, we are building a practice that fits seamlessly into your life. In the next few minutes, I will guide you through simple, effective steps to start your meditation journey. From setting the perfect ambience to mastering the basics of mindful breathing, each step is designed for easy integration into your daily routine, ensuring you can begin today. Whether you are looking to reduce stress, improve your concentration, or simply find a moment of peace, this guide is your gateway to a clearer mind and a healthier life. Stay with us as we unfold the path to inner tranquility, backed by calming visuals that not only teach but also soothe. Let's get ready to transform your mental and physical health with every breath you take. Meditation is more than just sitting quietly. It's a diverse practice that trains your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. There are several forms of meditation to explore, each with its unique focus and techniques. For example, mindfulness meditation encourages acute awareness of the present moment, typically through focused breathing. Guided meditation, often led by a voice or video, helps visualize a peaceful place or scenario to relax the mind. And then there is transcendental meditation, where you repeat a specific mantra to quiet your thoughts and reach a state of deep relaxation. The benefits of regular meditation are profound and backed by science. Mentally, it helps reduce stress, enhances concentration, boosts your mood, and increases overall emotional well-being. Physically, it's known to lower blood pressure, improve sleep, and can even reduce chronic pain. Imagine being able to manage anxiety or find a deep sense of peace just by dedicating a few minutes each day to this practice. Take, for example, a busy professional who begins practicing mindfulness meditation daily. Over time, they notice a significant decrease in stress and an increase in productivity at work, illustrating just how transformative meditation can be in managing work-life balance and enhancing personal growth. As we see, meditation isn't just a break from the day, it's an essential tool for fostering mental clarity and physical health. With a variety of styles to choose from, you can easily find a meditation practice that fits your needs and lifestyle, paving the way for a happier, healthier you. Creating the right environment is crucial for effective meditation. Let's explore how to choose the best time and place and how to set up a calming atmosphere that enhances your meditation experience. First, consider the time of day that aligns with your natural rhythm. Early morning is often ideal because it's typically quieter, and starting your day with meditation can set a positive tone for the hours ahead. However, if mornings are hectic, you might find a midday pause or evening session before bed more beneficial. The key is consistency, so choose a time you can commit to daily. Next, the space where you meditate should be as free from distractions as possible. This might be a dedicated corner of your bedroom, a quiet spot in your living room, or even a peaceful outdoor space. Ensure your meditation area is clean and uncluttered. You can enhance the calmness by adding elements like a soft yoga mat, a comfortable chair, or cushions. Consider incorporating nature into your space with potted plants or peaceful nature sounds, which have been shown to reduce stress and enhance the sense of tranquility. Remember, the atmosphere you create should invite peace and reflection. By preparing your space thoughtfully, you ensure that your meditation practice is both enjoyable and effective, helping you to fully immerse in the moment and reap the maximum benefits of mindfulness. Meditation can be approached in several ways, but let's focus on 3 fundamental techniques that are particularly accessible for beginners. These methods will help you start your meditation journey with confidence. Number 1. Focused attention meditation. Focused attention meditation is all about concentrating on a single object, sound, or breath. Start by finding a quiet place to sit comfortably. Choose a focus point like your breath, a candle flame, or even the sound of flowing water. The goal is to direct your attention to this focal point and gently bring your mind back whenever it wanders. This practice enhances your concentration and calms the mind. Number 2. Mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation encourages you to observe wandering thoughts as they drift through your mind. The intent is not to get involved with the thoughts or judge them, but simply to be aware of each mental note as it arises. You can practice mindfulness during any daily activity, while eating, walking, or even while doing chores. It cultivates a state of awareness and presence. Number 3. Body scan meditation. Body scan meditation involves focusing on different parts of your body in sequence from head to toe. This technique helps you become aware of bodily sensations and builds a mindful connection to your physical self. Lie down, close your eyes, and slowly guide your focus through each part of your body, noticing any tension or relaxation. Start at your forehead, move down to your toes, and observe without judgment. These basic techniques are the foundation of solid meditation practice. Whether you are drawn to focusing on a single point, observing your thoughts, or scanning your body, each practice offers unique benefits that foster relaxation, awareness, and inner peace. Experiment with these techniques to find what works best for you, and remember, the key to meditation is regular practice. Building a meditation routine is key to making this practice a lasting part of your life. Let's explore how you can seamlessly integrate meditation into your daily schedule and the importance of consistency and manageable goals. Consistency is the backbone of any successful meditation practice. Choose a specific time of day that aligns with your natural rhythm and lifestyle. Many find that meditating in the morning helps set a positive tone for the day, while others may prefer a midday recharge or unwinding in the evening. Whatever you choose, try to stick to the schedule as closely as possible. Setting reminders can help keep you on track. Start with small, achievable goals. If you are new to meditation, begin with 5 to 10 minutes per session. As you grow more comfortable, gradually increase the duration. Remember, the quality of your meditation is more important than the quantity. Even a few minutes of quality meditation can have profound effects on your well-being. Meditation doesn't always mean sitting quietly in a secluded spot. You can practice mindfulness while doing everyday activities. Try to incorporate mindful breathing while you are waiting in line, or practice a body scan during breaks at work. These small practices can help maintain a meditative mindset throughout your day. By making meditation a regular part of your day, you will build a resilience that enhances all aspects of your life. The key is to be patient with yourself and recognize that each day is an opportunity to grow. With each session, you are investing in a calmer, more centered you. Embarking on a meditation journey can be fulfilling, yet many beginners encounter a few common obstacles along the way. Let's address these challenges and explore practical solutions to help you maintain a strong and consistent practice. Challenge number 1: distraction. Distraction is perhaps the most common challenge faced during meditation, especially in our busy lives. The key to overcoming distraction is to acknowledge it without judgment and gently bring your focus back to your meditation. You can also try to reduce external distractions by choosing a quieter time for meditation or using noise-canceling headphones with soft meditation music or ambient sounds. Challenge number 2: finding time. Finding time to meditate can seem daunting amidst our packed schedules. However, meditation doesn't require hours. Even 5 minutes can be beneficial. Consider integrating meditation into your existing routine, perhaps a few minutes in the morning before starting your day or during the evening to wind down. You can also use short breaks during the day for a quick mindfulness exercise. Challenge number 3, feeling like you are not doing it right. Many beginners worry they are not meditating correctly. Remember, there is no perfect way to meditate. The goal is to find what works best for you. It's normal for your mind to wander. Meditation is the practice of bringing it back, and with time, this becomes easier. If you are unsure about techniques, consider guided meditation or meditation apps that can provide structure and support. Overcoming these challenges involve patience, practice, and persistence. Each meditation session is a step towards better understanding your mind and improving your ability to concentrate and relax. Embrace the challenges as part of the journey and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. As you become more comfortable with your meditation practice, you may feel ready to explore deeper and more profound techniques. Advancing your practice can help you achieve greater mindfulness, tranquility, and insight. Consider exploring advanced techniques like loving-kindness meditation, which involves directing feeling of compassion towards yourself and others, or Zazen, known for its rigorous focus on posture and deep concentration. These practices can offer new perspectives and significantly enhance your emotional and spiritual well-being. Meditation retreats are another fantastic way to deepen your practice. These retreats provide a dedicated time and space to meditate away from the distractions of everyday life. Surrounded by like-minded individuals and often led by experienced practitioners, retreats can offer intensive guidance and the opportunity to truly immerse yourself in the meditative experience. Joining guided meditation sessions or classes can also propel your practice forward. Guided sessions offer structure and communal energy that can enhance your focus and motivation. Look for local classes or online sessions that align with your interests and schedule. As you explore these advanced practices, remember that the journey of meditation is deeply personal. What works for one person might not work for another. Be patient with yourself and open to exploring various paths. By deepening your practice, you are committing to lifelong exploration of mindfulness, presence, and self-discovery. Building and sustaining a meditation practice requires motivation and commitment. Let's explore some effective strategies to keep your meditation journey engaging and track your progress along the way. Keep it fresh. To keep your meditation practice vibrant and interesting, vary your routine by changing your meditation environment or trying different types of meditation. For instance, if you typically meditate indoors, try moving your practice outside to a quiet park or garden. The change of scenery can provide new sensory stimuli and rejuvenate your practice. Additionally, experimenting with guided meditation focusing on different themes such as gratitude or healing can offer new insights and enhance your experience. Using tools and apps. There are numerous tools and apps designed to help maintain your meditation practice. Apps like Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer offer guided meditations, progress trackers, and reminders to keep you on track. These tools can be especially helpful for beginners who appreciate structured guidance or for those looking to explore new meditation techniques. Community and accountability. Joining a meditation community can also significantly boost your motivation. Whether it's a local group that meets for weekly sessions or an online community, connecting with others provides a sense of accountability and support. Sharing your progress and challenges with fellow meditators can inspire you to stay committed and can also provide the encouragement needed during tougher times. Remember, the key to a successful meditation practice is consistency. Use these strategies to keep your practice engaging and integrate it into your daily life. Over time, you will find that meditation becomes a seamless and rewarding part of your routine, continually enriching your life with peace and mindfulness. As we wrap up, we've explored the fundamental steps to establishing a rewarding meditation practice. From understanding what meditation is, preparing your space, and learning basic techniques, to deepening your practice and keeping motivated. Each step paves the way towards a more mindful and relaxed life. Remember, the journey to greater mindfulness doesn't end here. It's an ongoing path that deepens with practice and patience. I encourage you to take what you've learned today and start your own meditation journey. Embrace the peace it brings into your life and see how it transforms your day-to-day experiences. Now, I would love to hear from you. Share your meditation experiences or any questions you might have in the comments below. Your stories and insights are incredibly valuable to our community. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on meditation and mindfulness. Don't forget to check out our guided visualization video to help remain anchored in the present, and our gratitude meditation to enhance your daily life. You will find links in the description below and in a pop-up at the top right of this video. Start your journey today and transform your mind and body with the power of meditation. Much love.